Mastercut manufactures custom shim packs that enable the precise alignment of machinery and plant. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Any profile can be precision cut in-house using specialised lasers or by acid etching, and the company specialises in fast turnaround for delivery to mining, oil, gas and power plants throughout Australia and New Zealand. Mastercut holds a large stock of high-quality stainless steel shim material in thicknesses from 25 microns up to 12mm plate and all sizes in between. Both 304 and 316 grades are available, and all material origins and composition are guaranteed with mill certificates provided. Thanks to precision cutting techniques using state-of-the-art machinery, all Mastercut shims are delivered burr-free, securely packed with label identification. And if time is tight, the company can provide a priority service with optional overnight shipping. Find out more from all the W's, mastercut.com.au, or call them Mastercut on 07 5576 1900. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.